Welcome back. Thanks for joining the channel again. I'm just going to go through how to assemble the 3D printed gimbal. So pretty much, you'll start off by, once you print it all, during the print, you'll have to pause it twice. The description for the files explains everything, including the layer line. And that's when you'll be putting on these two bearings. Now you need two more, and they will go just on the ends. So I'll get them on quickly. Okay, so once you've got those two bearings on, you should just be able to push them on with your hand. That's when we're going to start getting to the rest of it. And yes, you will need a little bit of glue to sit this on that piece, but it's pretty easy. I'll show you how. Okay, so the way I've designed it, you've got this side that goes on the build plate. This side is obviously the top. The top goes in to that, and you'll see there's two little slots. It just slips in, except I haven't got glue on mine because I'm doing it on carpet. So I'll put glue on it later. I'm just showing you how to put it together. And then what you want to do, you get this piece, and you've got to get the bearings in there. So it's going to be tight, but that's that way it doesn't come out. Okay, so to get those bearings in, they're very, very, very tight. So they're definitely not coming out. But I found that using some multi-grips made it a lot easier to just grab around and squeeze. And that just gets the bearings straight in. So I highly recommend doing that. And then it spins nice and freely. The next thing that you're going to want to do, if you haven't already glued this piece in, glue it in. And then we will connect the rest of the gimbal. But this back piece is going to stay separate, so that way you can actually slide your phone in and out. I'll show you why later. Alright, so this is pretty much the last step. You take the final main piece, other than the back panel, and you're going to be putting these bearings in the blue piece. Well, that's providing you print it in blue. So it doesn't really matter what color you print it in. And just remember, this requires no AMS. I did mine in two different plates, so I haven't got AMS, so yeah, you definitely don't need it. So I'll get this in now, and it's probably going to be a tough fit, just like with the other piece. Okay, so now it's pretty much complete, and there's just one more thing that I said I would show you earlier, and that's why I have left this back piece off, and it's for a very good reason. Well, I mean, got a cat in my way. Pretty much, that is a very tight fit for a phone. Thank you. It's a very tight fit for a phone, and so is that piece. So, in having that, once it's together, like that, it's pretty much impossible to get your phone in and out. So I've made it a tight friction fit. It's on there properly, and yeah, then you can just slide your phone in and it fits perfect. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.